You probably don't need me to tell you, but we live in a crazy world where you never know when something bad might happen. So what better self-defense tool than a gun? In this video, we'll show you 8 deadly, powerful guns that are perfect for concealed carry and can defend you from dangerous and challenging situations. North American Arms Mini Revolver. Just because it is small don't mean it ain't mighty. The North American Arms Mini Revolver is small but extremely lightweight revolver that's designed specifically for concealed carry and personal defense. It's absurd to think that you'll be able to hide a normal, full-size gun in your pocket, so a gun of this size makes it the perfect choice for those who find large guns difficult to conceal. The design of this gun is heavily inspired by the small-frame rimfire revolvers that were used back in the 19th century. It features a hammerless design with a double-action trigger and a 5-shot cylinder. But the materials with which the gun is made are most modern. The latest technology and the high-quality materials are used to craft this gun. This gun also features stainless steel metal parts and checkered rubber grips. It also comes with fixed sights and a halfway notch cylinder safety. Beretta Bobcat. The size of this gun is comparable to that of your normal smartphone, weighing in at just 11.5 ounces. This ultra-concealable gun is the ultimate pocket pistol ever since it first hit the market. These guns are user-friendly, durable, reliable, and accurate. The best part is that they can be tucked into any holster or pocket for deep concealment. The Beretta Bobcat is chambered in 22 LR and 25 ACP. It's no wonder that this gun is #1 choice for concealed carry, as a backup pistol, either or. Speaking about the impeccable design, the exclusive tip-up barrel allows the shooter to easily load a round directly into the chamber without racking the slide. This feature also helps the safe clearing of the pistol by giving an easy and absolutely safe way to remove a live cartridge. Jamming and stovepiping problems are close to zero because of the open slide design. The barrels of the gun are made using a tough forging process. The slides are pretty old-fashioned and made out of solid steel bar stock. A new version of this gun is called Inox, and it's made out of stainless steel, which is one of the finest and toughest steels out there, making it corrosion-resistant and durable. Kel-Tec P3AT. That's a mouthful. This locked-breech double-action pistol was introduced by Kel-Tec in 2003. It's based on the P32. The gun is chambered for 38 ACP rounds. The lightest production 38 ACP pistol in the world, weighing 8.3 ounces when empty. The frame of this gun is made entirely out of a polymer with an aluminum insert. The slide and the barrel are also steel. This version of the gun omits a slide stop to keep the size similar to the P32. The similar size and weight of the P3AT results in increased felt recoil over the P32. That is entirely due to the fact that the more powerful 38 ACP cartridge is used in the P3AT instead of the 32 ACP cartridge found in the P32. This gun is definitely a very popular choice among civilians with concealed carry permits and with police officers as backup or off-duty pistols. The outside appearance of this gun is super sleek. It's available with blued, parkerized, or matte chrome slides. The polymer frame can be customized to black, gray, navy blue, or olive green colors. C-Camp LWS-32. The C-Camp LWS series has a reputation for being a line of high-quality pocket pistols that are extremely compact and all of which operate on a chamber ring delayed blowback action. When the LWS was first introduced in 1981, it was chambered in 25 ACP. Later on, 32 ACP and 38 ACP models were introduced. However, the 25 ACP version stopped production and the 32 ACP is still the most popular model today. This gun uses a chamber ring delayed blowback operating mechanism, unlike the direct blowback action of the original version. What sets C-Camp apart from the other gun manufacturers is that they are unapologetic about what their guns are and why they should be used. Back in the day, sections of the gun owner's manual were actually published in firearms magazines because of how unorthodox it was to claim that your pistol was designed for self-defense against other humans. Although it's common today to get a gun purely for self-defense purposes, that really wasn't the case back then. It was still a time when companies were pretending that their guns were intended solely for target shooting or sporting purposes. Despite their size, this gun is very ergonomic, so it's no surprise that this gun's general characteristics have been copied by several other manufacturers since its introduction. The Ruger LCP. The name of this gun tells you everything you need to know. LCP stands for Lightweight Compact Pistol. The Ruger LCP is a subcompact 38 ACP pocket pistol that made its debut in 2008 SHOT Show. Needless to say, is a hit. and a big hit at that. With an overall length of 5.16 inches and weighing in at only 9.4 ounces, this is Ruger's first entry into the field of tiny, ultra-light defensive pistols. This gun was designed to cater to the customer request for a compact firearm for use by police's backup, and a defensive handgun for civilian concealed carry needs. Speaking on the design of the gun, it has a glass-filled nylon frame, a two-finger grip, and a blued steel slide. To be honest, it looks a lot like the Kel-Tec P3AT. It also has an identical tension spring for the lightweight hammer and locked breech mechanism. However, this gun is not entirely a full copy of Kel-Tec P3AT. The main differences are the Glock-style extractor and the incorporation of an external slide stop on the LCP. Taurus TCP. Taurus has made quite a name for itself for pricing some of the best high-quality guns, and the TCP ain't no exception. This gun has a polymer frame and is available in 5 different versions, so you really got a lot of options to choose from. This gun is a double-action only pistol. It is a hammer and not striker fired. The hammer is surrounded by a former to protect it from interference, and it cannot be thumb-cocked. In addition to that, this pistol has no restrike capability that must be cycled to re-engage the action. This means that any misfires are going to have to be resolved with a tap, rack, or bang. Thankfully, it doesn't have a magazine safety. This piece can be fired without an ammo source on board. That's of great help because in the case that the tubes are humbled, additional boxed or loose rounds are available. With great ergonomics and intelligent design, this gun has managed to mitigate some of the major risks of pocket carry. The magazine release is flush with the frame to reduce inadvertent activation, but it's still accessible. The gun also has a futuristic and attractive profile. However, the slide lock back on the final shot makes this minigun different from other guns chambered in .38 ACP. Sig Sauer P328. The Sig Sauer P328 is a compact single-action revolver that made its grand entrance into the gun world at the 2009 SHOT Show. It's modeled after the M1911, which is similar to the Colt Mustang. The grip panels on this gun are fluted polymer. It has an aluminum frame and a stainless steel side. However, the HD version of this gun has an entire frame and slides made of stainless steel. Initially, P23A pistols had standard sights, and they had night sights as more of an expensive option. Later on, as the gun became a huge hit amongst the public, the company decided to make night sights more accessible. Today, all currently produced guns have night sights as a standard. Many variants also have an ambidextrous thumb safety standard. During its debut, the gun was available only in matte black, with a matte silver-colored slide and black frame. Today, many more versions are available. Car Arms PM9. The Car PM9 is a 9mm subcompact pistol that was made to fit in the palm of your hand. This gun is enough caliber that it was powerful enough to be used reliably for self-defense. The 9mm rounds have been used by several militaries and police departments around the world to chamber their firearms, so there's no question about that power. And the P in PM9 stands for polymer. Apart from a full polymer frame, Car also has a steel frame counterpart called the MK9. While there are some differences, the overall design and function pretty much remain the same. This gun can easily be kept in a waistband all day and it doesn't affect the mobility of the user. You don't have to alter your clothes in order to keep the gun concealed. The ergonomics of the grip of the Car PM9 feel natural in the hand, but if you're more used to shooting Glocks, you might notice the grip angle is noticeably different than that of a Glock. So you might have to concentrate well to shoot the Car, but with a tiny bit of practice, you'll get used to it, and you might even like the grip angle of the Car more. Just like most guns we've discussed in this video, do you know what's small but has a massive impact? Subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now that you know that these guns are deadly and perfect for self-defense, check out this video, Top 8 CCW Guns with Zero Recoil for 2023, if you want all the benefits of a good concealed carry gun without all the hassle of recoil. That's about it. Okay, bye.